In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix creator account cannot be private on Instagram. So if you're trying to switch your account to private but you're seeing the message creator account cannot be private, what you have to do is simply switch to personal account. So for that, open the Instagram application, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your profile interface, tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the settings and activity interface. You'll be able to find this section for professionals. Tap on this option account type and tools. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on this option account type. You can see over here professional is selected right now. So tap on this option switch account type that you can see on the screen. Now tap on this option switch to personal account. Now once you do that, this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on this option switch to personal account. Now once you do that, your account will be switched to the personal. Now what you can do is simply go back. Now after you do that, tap on this option account privacy that you can see on the screen. Now toggle this button on right next to the option for private account. Now tap on this option switch to private. Now you can see over here you'll easily be able to switch to the private account. So that is how you fix creator account cannot be private on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.